What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got myself a front lip here for my WRX, and we're gonna do some unboxing. We're gonna install it, and I've got a link below, so at the end of this video you feel like this is something that you'd like, go ahead, click that link and you can get this on Amazon. So I mostly got this lip because I got a little crack right here going on my bumper, and it's kind of starting on this side. This is just how I bought the car, and I'm hoping that if I get that lip put on the bottom here, it's kind of going to preserve that for a little bit until I can get a new bumper that's not ripped and repaint it and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and open up this front lip and take a look at it. Alright, so here's the lip. Obviously this is a 3-piece lip, and it comes with what pretty much looks like wood screws, so I'll probably use these, but I don't know how well they'll work. And I'll probably end up getting something else to help secure this to the bumper. But anyways, there's screws here, and the way that this lip works is that underneath there's a couple of tabs here, and what they do, they just slip on to the other side, and you'll put your screws in to hold this 3-piece lip together. So since this is an unpainted lip, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward till tomorrow and get this painted in 3 separate pieces, and then we're gonna mount it on the car when it's a nicer day outside. So let's go ahead and fast forward. All right, so we're back. It's a lot nicer day, obviously. Got my spray paint. This is a high gloss Rust-Oleum, nothing fancy. Got the lip here. I took some 600 grit sandpaper and scuffed this thing all up so that the paint has something better to stick to than the smooth surface that it comes with. So I'm gonna paint this thing all up real quick, and then I'm gonna bolt it together, and then we're gonna strap it up to the car. Alright, well, there has been some complications with this freaking lip. So now I'm at the point where it's on the car, and I was having a problem with the paint. I painted it, and then the texture got all jacked up on the last coat. I mean, if you're not really looking at it, you can't tell, but to me, I don't really like the way it looks. So I think I'm going to end up resanding this whole lip and totally refurbing it all over again, because I don't really like the texture that it came out with on the final coat. This side looks okay, but like right here it looks pretty bad, so I don't like it. But I mean, if we're gonna look at the fitment of the lip, we'll start back here in the corner, and you can kind of see the seam of where it's supposed to line up along the whole bumper. And this is the spot that I was most concerned about, holding all this together right here. But it fits really tight along the bumper. It's actually a really good fit. Then coming around to the left side, you can see that it fits good here also, and it's going to help hold that together. So anyways, so this is pretty much what it looks like. If we get down underneath, or you can see right here is where you bolt the pieces together, and this comes with shorter hardware, and these are flatheads actually. So I did that there, and then on the other side also, I'm just using the supplied screws in each location to hold this on. Now I'm not exactly using these holes that are pre-drilled, because when you tighten it, it kind of bends the lip down a little bit. So I am doing my own points. It's plastic, so it drills through really easy. But it's super easy to drill into. The fitment is actually really good, and I really like the look of this lip. It's just that whatever happened with the spray paint that I used, something happened on the final coat, and now I'm gonna have to redo it. but I'm not gonna do that now because I'm kind of over it. All right guys, so that is this lip for my 2012 WRX. I actually really recommend this lip. It fits really good, it looks really good, and it's, for what it costs, it's actually super nice, and I really like it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and consider subscribing, leaving a comment on what you think below, and giving me a thumbs up if you like the video. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one.